he convened a special tribunal to which I was not invited.
The tribunal will admonish both counsel. It will tolerate nothing of this kind again.
The living tribunal.
And still they have tribunals springing up all over the...
Tribunals.
Trial, but a tribunal convened expressly by the Presidium.
The one-time strongman will face a military tribunal.
We execute this sentence, as decreed by the military tribunal of Benghazi.
The tribunal has searched for grievous errors in the exercises that you have propagated.
That you have been convicted by special tribunal.
This has been brought to Admiral Marcus's attention. He convened a special tribunal to which I was not invited. You understand what Starfleet...
This tribunal will admonish both counsel. It will tolerate nothing of this kind again. We're not here to listen to outbursts of this kind.
Is the staff of the living tribunal.
Already beheaded the king and queen. And still they have tribunals springing up all over the country. The revolution keeps growing.
Risk. She's worth the risk. Pardons, tribunals, power of the people. It can all be the bedrock of the new pen.
I don't know why we're here. This is not a trial, but a tribunal convened expressly by the Presidium. And it is to the Presidium alone.
Charged with crimes against humanity, the one-time strongman will face a military tribunal. A coup forced Papa Vincent
of Tripolitania Cyrenaica. We execute this sentence, as decreed by the military tribunal of Benghazi on the 15th day of September 1931.
Heresy and blasphemy. The tribunal has searched for grievous errors in the exercises that you have propagated, and has found none.
I'm instructed to inform you that you have been convicted by special tribunal, and that unless you are ready to offer your...
The public prosecutor announces to this tribunal that the prisoner...
Winning the war single-handedly for the Allies, only later to find myself standing before a Jewish tribunal.
Protest einzulegen. The defendant does not recognize the authority of this tribunal and wishes to lodge a formal protest in lieu of pleading.
Against heresy. To sit with me on this tribunal and to share the burden of the
talk of land appropriations, revolutionary tribunals.
When the war ends, I intend to put...
I proceed, Dr. Honore.
By your leave, Mr. President. This tribunal has not yet defined the purpose for this inquiry.
You ask for the